My name is Jasmine Briggs, and I am a career coach. And I absolutely love what I do. Now that said, career coaching wasn't always the dream. I actually grew up wanting to be an actor. During my childhood, I suffered from undiagnosed depression. I had thoughts of suicide at an early age. I can remember being 5 years old and feeling like I would never get married because men didn't like black women. And at that time, I decided that I didn't want to be black, that black women weren't beautiful. By the time I got to high school, I was so shy that it was literally what I was known for. I remember feeling like, if people don't get to know me, then they can't decide that they don't like me. And as long as people don't dislike me, I'm good. Fast forward into my early 20s, and at 23, I discovered that I have a bone tumor that is eating away at my jaw. This spirals me into a dark depression, and I just remember friends not wanting to be around me and feeling like I was making all of the wrong decisions. Everyone in my life all of a sudden seemed like they were going off to law school, and I knew that was not my path. This led me on a journey to discover what is happiness. I started reading books and listening to talks, and eventually I enrolled for my master's degree in transpersonal psychology. This was the first time that I did self-discovery work and creative expression that was focused on me. And I got to really learn and honor who I was. I learned about meditation and different spiritual traditions and theories, and in particular, spiritual traditions that had to do around African and African-American spiritual modalities outside of Christianity. I felt this deep love for my community. And for the first time, I was proud to be a Black and Latino woman. At that time, I knew I no longer wanted to be an actor. I knew my calling was to help other people find that same self-love. I knew that when we found that love and that passion within ourselves, then we can manifest careers we loved. And if we lived in a world where people loved themselves, we were living in a world with endless possibilities. My name is Jasmine Briggs, and I am a career coach. Thank you.